perimeter is not just to protect you, it's to protect the other people that surround you, that may be involved in your life.
Right. It's just funny because I've heard so many different perspectives on that.
You can't be selfish and make a
can't be
decision.
selfish about it.
If you want to say, oh, I should be able to be friends with whoever I want to be friends with, that's a selfish thought.
Selfish, yeah.
Nobody said you shouldn't be, but are you going to be thoughtful?
Right.
Do you get what I'm saying? Are you going to be thoughtful?
Consider it.
Yes, consider it. Are you going to? Do you feel comfortable knowing that your new girlfriend can sit there and have her ex-boyfriend on the phone, and they it's accepted that we're friends, and so whenever he feel like calling, or whenever she feel like calling, I wouldn't usually do friends talk. They usually talk about things that go on in their intermediate relationship.
All day.
So therefore, they're going to tell them and give them all the answer key to everything that they might have not known with who done when they was in a relationship.
Right.
Now you are creek cuts. They got the advantage.
Right. Exactly.
They know when things are going bad. They know when there's a yellow light, a green light, and a red light.
Everything that's going on.
Exactly. Because all they got to do is sit back and listen.
Yeah.
They have no expectations on them anymore.
Right.
But with them not having no expectations on them, they almost can be perfect.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was actually gonna say that I mentioned to a lot of people that when it comes to marriage and serious commitment, you should be marrying that person that you consider your best friend or that you're close to like that.
The person that you can trust, that see on the same lines,
that you can trust.
But they see on the same lines by different things that they may do, not what they say.
Yeah.
Because people, once they know how you are, if they want you for whatever reasons, then they can always pretend.
Right. Always.
It ain't hard. You just told them, you gave them a script. You gave them what to play.
Exactly.
This is what I need you to do. This is what I like. Right here. I've been pretending to do this for a while.
Yeah, and it's just like you said, people walk around saying they best friend, oh, it's my best friend, well, that's cool and all, but what comes with a best friend, that's a person that you talk to all the time, they know everything about you. Even if you deny the fact you may not be.
That person knows more than the person that they're in a relationship with.
Right.
Because that's what they're going to talk to the person about that's in their relationship. They're going to talk about that relationship that they're in. They're going to talk about other interests. They're going to talk about things that they may want to try, all of that. Things that they may not want their significant other to know.
Exactly.
Because they're still looking at, I don't want you to think of me this way.
Right.
Time out. If I'm getting a real you, then you should not be worried about what I'm going to think of you. You should want to know what I'm going to think of you. So we can decide if we're going to go ahead and move forward with it.
Exactly.
Why be fake? Get this deep down the line.
Don't be fake,
Now why two people don't like each other? It's because they was all faking to be what they wasn't.
Yeah. See? Yep. Yeah, they was fronting, and now you don't know who you're dealing with.
So it's a big game. It's always being played.
It is, definitely. And I was always leery about that girl may have a best friend, like a male best friend or something like that. It's not to say that that's not impossible, but men gonna see that as a threat.
Well, a man that doesn't see it as a threat is a man that already has a stable.
Yeah.
He can deal with whatever he can deal with whatever you're doing if he got something else going on. He's not gonna get all into priority because I'll leave you loose. As basically everybody picks up this. Okay, and people try to say this is manipulative, but I just call this using your common sense. Okay, if you got something going on and you ain't doing everything right, then why check the other person about what everything they ain't doing right?
Right.
You ain't gonna do nothing but cause it to bring attention to. Okay, let's get these bylaws together. Okay, now we got to do this. Why you doing this? Why you doing that? That turns into a serious relationship, which you probably thought you was getting out of.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
So now you still got the same worries in life that you had when you was in a relationship. So why did you leave? You get what I'm saying? If you gonna go do the same thing, why leave? If you gonna go be fake, people say, oh, you was being fake.
Yeah.
No, I'm not being fake. I was being who I was. And you're the one saying you're tired of being this way and tired of being that way. If you're tired of being a certain way, then that ain't the way you are.
Exactly. You still got work to do.
You got work to do, but you need to be able to do the work to where it's actually enjoyable for you to do the things that you say you want to be.
Right.
Not where you feel like, oh man, I've been trying to do everything I can to
figure out what you want to do. Yeah.
You should. The things that you naturally want to do should be the things that automatically make the other person happy.
Right.
That shouldn't be the way that you you are should automatically be thoughtful. If that person considers your characteristics to be thoughtful, this, that, the other. So what people do is say, oh, I'm not like this person, I'm not like that person. Nobody's saying no one is the next person. What we're saying is that we're all in the flesh, we're all human beings, we have the same tendencies. So therefore, do not be the guy that think that you're better than somebody else and you got so much more control of yourself than the next man do, and put yourself in that position. Because that's where you mess up at.
Right.
Any man will mess up like that. You know what I'm saying? Half the men that ain't cheated would cheat if they turned around and they was around a woman that showed that they was interested, just like they was interested. They say, oh, she attractive. Now what if she said something to you?
Right.
Now it's a wrap.
Right.
Where you at now?
Right.
Now you just like the dude that you was dogging out, saying that he's doing his girl wrong and all this.
Right.
You see what I'm saying?
Right. Oh yeah.
Just because you don't say it out your mouth don't mean it ain't get through your mind.